The Grand Hotel stands proudly once more at the heart of Leicester, restored as one of the city's defining gateways between the railway station and the historic city centre. This project is about far more than restoring a listed building. As the flagship project within Leicester's High Street Heritage Action Zone, it proved how carefully targeted heritage investment could regenerate Granby Street, restore confidence in the city centre and catalyse wider regeneration. Original drawings, archive photographs and surviving built fabric revealed the richness of the hotel's Victorian architecture, providing the evidence for an authentic restoration. For more than 125 years, the hotel has played an important part in Leicester's civic, commercial and social life. By the 21st century, oversized signage, poor quality shopfronts and decades of unsympathetic alteration had eroded much of its architectural character. The shopfront restoration works reinstated the original proportions and architectural hierarchy, allowing the building once again to read as a unified Victorian composition. The reconstructed entrance canopy restores the building's principal entrance, re-establishing the sense of arrival intended by architects Cecil Ogden and Amos Hall, reinforcing the hotel's identity and providing a civic focus to Granby Street. The lessons learned have informed the subsequent phases of work along Granby Street and Beaver Street, restoring the wider city block and strengthening the conservation area. The project restored traditional timber joinery, reinstated granite store risers and pilasters, Portland stone repairs and replacement, mosaic thresholds and decorative ironwork were carefully repaired or reinstated. Modern structure, accessibility, fire safety and security were discreetly integrated, ensuring the building meets contemporary needs while faithfully reflecting its Victorian character. The result is both authentic and enduring. The conservation works also gave confidence to the comprehensive refurbishment of the wider hotel, returning 104 guest rooms, restaurants, event spaces and retail accommodation to active use. The regeneration continued beyond the hotel, with neighbouring restoration projects reinforcing the character of Granby Street and building on the original investment. Together with Leicester City Council's Connecting Leicester public realm improvements, these coordinated projects have transformed one of Leicester's principal gateways. The comparison between past and present speaks for itself. This regeneration project has restored the Grand Hotel and enhanced its contribution to the Granby Street conservation area. It has secured the long-term future of one of Leicester's most important heritage assets and has already begun to deliver lasting economic, environmental and social value. Thank you.